Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about chemistry. The topic today is about first order. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to remember that this is about the first order decomposition. So in this situation we have natural law in here of A equals to natural law of A0 minus KT. So A0 that is about initial concentration, that is about this one. K that is about the rate constant. T that is about the time. So we want to find about capital A in here. So we just put the number code here. So we calculate about this one. So we have negative 3.8577. So later that we can use about natural law. So we can use about E for the both side. So e to the power of ln 8, we have capital 8. So we calculate this one in here. And that is about 0.021112. And this is the final answer in here. That is the end. Thank you for watching.